Today, we're cooking up something seriously delicious, garlic butter shrimp pasta. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 200 g, 7 oz spaghetti or linguine, 300 g, 10 oz shrimp, peeled and deveined, 3 tablespoon butter, buttery, cloves garlic, minced, quarter teaspoons, chili flakes, optional, salt and pepper to taste, juice of half lemon, 2 tablespoon chopped parsley, grated parmesan, optional. Here we go. Let's get started. Only 15 minutes between you and deliciousness. 1. Cook the pasta. Boil pasta in salted water according to package instructions. Reserve a quarter cup of pasta water, then drain and set aside. 2. Cook the shrimp. In a large skillet, melt 1 tablespoon butter over medium heat. Add shrimp, season with salt and pepper, and cook 2 minutes per side until pink. Remove and set aside. 3. Make the garlic butter sauce. In the same skillet, add remaining butter. Add minced garlic and chili flakes, cooking for 1 minute until fragrant. 4. Combine. Return shrimp to the pan, add cooked pasta, lemon juice, and a splash of reserved pasta water. Toss everything together for 1-2 minutes. 5. Finish. Sprinkle with chopped parsley and parmesan. Best enjoyed warm and fresh. A little trick that make a big difference. If you cook the shrimp from frozen, you will have liquid coming out, and that's okay, as it will take about a minute to simmer it down. Not enough to overcook the shrimp. However, it's recommended to thaw the shrimp completely before cooking, so it's as dry as possible for better results. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal